Hello, today I'm going to show you how to repair or rebuild the WMI Windows Management Instrumentation repository on a Windows computer. The WMI repository is a key part of Windows that stores system configuration and management data. If it becomes corrupted, you may face issues with system monitoring tools, scripts, or certain Windows features. Thankfully, rebuilding it can often resolve these problems. Let's get started. Click the search icon on the taskbar, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if a user account control prompt appears. Paste the following command and press Enter. If you see WMI repository is consistent, you don't need to proceed. If it returns inconsistent, continue with the next steps. First command, salvage the repository. This command attempts to repair the corrupted parts of the repository without fully resetting it. Second command, reset the entire repository. This command deletes and recreates the entire repository. Only use it if the repair method doesn't work. Once all commands have been executed, restart your PC to apply the changes. That's it. You've just completed the steps to fix the WMI repository issue on Windows. I hope this guide helped you resolve the problem. Wishing you the best of luck. Goodbye.